babes, it's Holly here from Holly Makeup Loves on Instagram. If you haven't checked me out there already, make sure to check me out at Holly Makeup Loves on Instagram, and I post every single day about makeup, skincare, beauty, style, all that stuff. And make sure to like and subscribe to me here on YouTube. I post every Sunday with a new beauty style video for you guys. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a hair look. So I love updos. I seriously like the top bun, the low bun. I'm always looking for cute, kind of carefree hairstyles. And coming up into spring and summer, I think they're obviously such a go-to. If there's hot weather, you definitely just want to throw your hair up. One of my new favorite ways to wear my hair is the off-duty model hair bun. Hairdo, hair bun, off-duty model hair look. We'll call it that. So it's very simple. I'll show you guys how I do it, the things you kind of need to do. I'm gonna get 2 scrunchies, 2 hair ties, whatever you guys use. I washed my hair a couple days ago, put dry shampoo in it. It is better if your hair isn't super clean when you do this hair look. It just holds better and there's less flyaways and frizzies. So I will take my first hair tie. So I have this brush, this teasing comb from Dry Bar, and I actually love this brush. I use it for a lot of things. So the first thing I'm gonna do is part your hair down the middle. I've already done that today, so I will leave that part there. And I just kind of start brushing my hair back. And so I pull my hair back and then I'll gradually kind of lift it a little bit more. So what I kind of looked up online and found out for the model kind of off-duty hair look, the best place to place your bun is if you look at your eye line, and I have eyeliner on today so it's even easier. If you kind of follow this line up, and I just go kind of right above that line is where I want to put my bun. So I want to go up a little higher, and I'll start, I want to keep my part about halfway, and then in the back I'll kind of pull that hair back, straight back, and then I'm going to pull these hairs gradually, start pulling them up, but keep that little part in the front because that is important to this hair look. So that is pretty good. That is around the spot I want. So I'm going to pull the hair tie around and just do a ponytail. Perfect spot. I'm going to take that hair I have, kind of twist it around a little bit and twist it around my hair tie, and then I leave out the last little bit to one side of my hair, and then I'll go around a couple times with this hair tie. And then have that little extra straight piece going out to the side. And then to make sure this hair look stays put, I take a little bit of hairspray in my hands, on my fingers, and just go along the hairline so that there is no flyaways and your crease is nice and sharp. And we are done our model off-duty hair look. I have worn this before. It actually stays in a really long time because of that double elastic hold, that it keeps your look up and out and looking chic and cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini hair tutorial. Let me know if you try it in the comment section below. Make sure to like and subscribe to me here on YouTube. Like I said, I post every Sunday with new beauty videos and style videos for you guys. And make sure to check me out on Instagram. I post every single day over there and love talking to you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next Sunday.